In today's video, we're going to check out the default functionality of Magento 2, wherein we're going to see how the admin can change the root category from the admin backend panel, and also how the admin can add that root category for the storefront view. Hi, I am Nishtha. Welcome you all to our new video tutorial of Magento 2. Before proceeding ahead, kindly do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for further updates from our end. And if you do like the video, kindly give it a thumbs up. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. Now as you can see, I'm on the admin backend panel, from where I'm going to log in from the username and password. Once you click on the sign in option, you will be redirected towards the dashboard page, and in the dashboard page on the left hand side you can see there is an option of catalog. You have to click on this catalog option, then you have to click on this category option. Once you click on the category option, the pages appear from where you can add a new root category. So here you can see there are two options, that is add root category and add subcategory. So if you want to add a root category, you can click on the root category, and if you want to add a subcategory, you can click on the subcategory. So once we have to click on the root category, so for that I'm clicking on the root category option. And kindly note that root category won't be visible on the storefront view. So here I'm going to give a name. And then we have to click on save option. Once you save the root category, after that you have to add subcategory under the root category. So for that you have to click on the default category third option first. Like you have to select that so that you can create subcategories under that. Now you can click on subcategory. And here you have to write down the category names and then save. You can add as many subcategories as you want. Like if you want to add 2 categories, 3 categories, 4 categories, it depends on you how many subcategories you want to show on your storefront view. So I have added 1. We're going to add 2 or 3 categories. So again I'm going to click on default category, then again subcategory, then again save a new one. Like click on default category, then you have to click on subcategory, then write down the name for the subcategory, save. If you want to add one more, then you have to repeat the same process, that is default category and then add subcategory. Write down the name of the subcategory. Then you have to click on the save option. Now let me show you how the admin can add these root category on the storefront view. So first of all, I'm going to show you what kind of categories are visible on the storefront. For that, we're going to click on the admin option, then customer view. Let me show you the customer view, like what are the categories are available on the store view. So here you can see there are these categories. These are the root categories, like subcategories: test 1, test category, new category. So now we're going to add the categories which we have made from the admin backend panel. For that, on the left hand side option, you can see the stores option is there. Then all stores. Then here you can see there are options like main website store, default store view. So you have to click on the main website store. Here you can see all the details like name, code, root category, default store view. So you have to change this root category option. Here once you click on this, you can see like I have only 2 root categories. You can also have as many categories as you want. Like number of root categories you will going to make will going to appear here only, and the category which you want to show on your storefront, you can select that category from here. So we have made default category 3, so we'll click on this, and then we will going to save store, and then here this operation can take a long time, so click on OK. So this is the customer view. I'm going to refresh it. Here you can see the root like the subcategories which we have made under that root category: men, women, electronics and home decor, visible here. So like this, you can add a root category or change a root category from the admin backend panel, and also add that root category for the storefront view as I have shown you. So this was much about this default functionality of Magento 2 from my end. And still, if you have any query, any doubt or suggestions regarding this functionality of Magento 2, you can reach back to us at support@webcool.com, or you can raise a ticket at webcool.uvdesk.com. And lastly, thanks for watching the video. Have a good day ahead.